Only 5 minutes ago, I was starting a live in the national profile for Dale Carnegie Brazil. And I was checking the audio, like, does everybody listen to me? Can everybody see me well? And it was all going well, a lot of thumbs up and everything. And all of a sudden, all the comments started like, it's not working, I can't see anything, I can't hear anything, it's not working, it's not working. And I just, what is happening? So it took me some time to realize that not only my life, but also the whole Instagram network had gone dead. And other apps had also gone dead. Facebook and WhatsApp were not working anymore. So we had a collapse around 6 p.m. in Brazil, and nothing in the internet worked. So I just thought, okay, what can I do in this situation? I went out and restarted the live. So let's try again. Let's see if we restart, if it's going to work. And nothing happened. Nobody went in. So I went out again and started again. And nothing happened. So I gave a call to someone in the marketing team and said, look, I don't know what's happening. And he said, don't worry, the whole network is gone dead. So it's not only the Dale Carnegie profile. And at the same time, I realized, like, okay, there is one principle that can help me with that. In the Golden Book, the Dale Carnegie Golden Book, we have a principle for worry and stress that says, cooperate with the inevitable. At that moment, there was nothing I can do. I couldn't help Instagram to go back to work, and I couldn't help the internet to start working again. So, okay, that's it. I just recorded a video and told everybody that we are going to reschedule our live and that we're going to discuss this matter in another moment, and that's it. So if there is anything in this whole situation that is making you anxious, like, I don't know how much time we're going to handle in this, I don't know how much longer my company is going to take, just think of the things that are in your control and the problems you can solve. For the rest of it, cooperate with the inevitable. In this moment, there are lots of things that are not under our control, and if we get desperate about it, it will only bother. It will not help us solve the problem.